Good morning, Davenport students. So today is Monday, May 4th. Mr. Baldwin here. So just to go over some things before we get started. Now these brain break gym activities are a fun little thing that you can do anytime during the day. And it's just a break from your classwork activities. So moving on to our rules, we're going to go over number one. We want to make sure we have enough space to do the activity correctly and safely. 2, you are wearing your sneakers and they are tied up. 3, have a parent or guardian with you to help you out during the activity if you need it. Moving on to our activities. For our stretches, we will jog in place. Feet apart stretch to the right and to the left. Jumping jacks, trunk twist, balance on our right foot, then our left foot. Then we will repeat them. Jog in place. Feet apart stretch to the right and to the left. Jumping jacks, trunk twist, balance on our right foot, then our left foot. Moving on to some Go Noodle activities. Fabio's Meatball Run and Popsico.